Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. My name is Marlin, your host and technical trader, and I have two stocks that I would like to talk to you about today. The very first stock is Coin, symbol COIN, and that is Charlie Oscar India November Converted Organics Incorporated. And Converted Organics is a company that trades on the NASDAQ. And please have a look at the chart for me. And if you notice, the stock moved from around this $9 and about 50 cents area all the way to about $6.05. And right at the top of the range, if you notice, you would see that there was a doji that formed right here, and a doji does represent indecision in the stock price. So the stock could either open on the upside the following day or on the downside. But since the formation of the doji, the stock did pull back, and there was a confirmation that the stock would move to the upside right here at around between about $7 and about 50 cents to about $8.10. But what happened was there was a shooting star that took place right at the bottom of that range, and the very next day the stock closed at about $8 and about 5 cents, and a hanging man formation was formed. And after the hanging man formation formed, the stock basically pulled back to the downside to around that $6.05 area. And if you look at this trend line closely, any move above the break of that trend line will take the stock a lot higher and would show that a breakout is coming into the stock price. And as of today, that's what happened after yesterday's close on June 2nd. There was a doji that formed right at the bottom of the range, and as of today, the stock did break out and move to the upside right above the 200-day moving average, set at around $6.54, and that was right about here. And the stock did move higher and ended the day with a last price of about $7.12, up about 14.47%, with a 90-cent price move to the upside, and ended the day with a large Marabuzu candle, which shows strength is coming into the stock. And also, if you look closely, I have the 50-day moving average right here set at about $9.33, and also my pivot point is set at about $7.10 to $7.15, and that is my buy point. So please keep a close look at this stock as well. And also, if you look down right here, you see that the MAC divergence, that's the MACD, is basically moving to the upside and getting ready to cross as well. And that is a good sign that the stock will be moving higher. And also we have right here the RSI, that's a relative strength indicator, which basically just needs to move above this 50 line area right here. Once it moves above this trend line on this 50 line area, the stock will move a lot higher. The next stock that I would like to talk to you about today is symbol FEED, and that's Feed. Foxtrot Echo Echo Delta. Ag Feed Industries Incorporated. And Ag Feed is a company that trades on the NASDAQ as well. But please have a close look at the chart, and you would notice that Ag Feed basically came from around this $21 area, which was basically a high on the stock price, and pulled back to around this $14 area. But if you have a very, very close look at the chart, you would notice that there was a doji formation that formed right here at the top of the range, and after that formation, the stock did pull back all the way to around this $14 area. And at the bottom of that range, there was a hanging man formation that formed, and the following day there was a doji that brought the stock down back to around that $14 area. But after that pullback, the stock did start moving back to the upside, and as of the day, the stock did break through my trend line area as well as the 50-day moving average, which was at $16.14. And the stock ended the day with a last price of about $17, up 8.97%. And the most important thing was the day ended with a close high close to the close of the day with a nice fat Marabuzu candle. And also we have the 32-day moving average set at about $17.55, which is also my pivot point, and that's between $17.55 and $17.60. And also, if you scroll down, we have the MAC divergence, which is right here. Basically, that crossed today, and that is ticking to the upside. But we need a move above this zero area as well. And also, that relative strength also moved to the upside as well. And we had a move right here above this 50 line area, which shows a lot of strength coming into the stock as well. Also, I would like for you to keep a very close eye on the on-balance volume indicator, If you notice today, the unbalanced volume indicator went above the trend line that I drew right here. So that indicates that the stock would be moving a lot higher. And also, if you look at the money flow indicator, the money flow as of now is on the downside, but that would be moving up higher as well. And also the volume indicator basically ran above the average daily today of 922,000 to about 1.6 million. So that is a good sign that the stock will be continuing higher. Please keep both converted organics as well as ag feed, symbol FEED, on your radar for a higher move. And also, I would like to thank you for listening. Have a great day and happy trading to you.
This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.